isa pa 'tong balitan 'to, itong, mga si JPE, nagpatotsyada sa mga taga-iglesia. Malinis ang Davao City pero may war drag nun si Girl Baste. Oh. Judy Labrador, hello, hello, good day. Eh, galit na galit itong mga taga-iglesia kay Manong Johnny. Kaya itong si Manong Johnny, sabi niya nung nakaraan, last na 'to. Pero ito, bumakbak na naman, hindi nakatiis. O eto yun. O sabi dito ni Manong Johnny, ni Apo Johnny ng Cagayan, so many people, especially members of the INC, were so riled and angry at me for the post I made recently about the INC Peace Rally. Eh bakit? Sinabi lang naman ni Apo Johnny na walang kwenta yung rally nila. Eh totoo naman. Bakit sakit na sakit na loob yung mga iglesia? Diba? I would like to explain why I made that post. I'm not against the INC. I am fully aware that in this country, everyone, religious or not, is entitled to exercise the right of the people to peaceably assemble and petition the government for redress of grievances. There is no question that INC Peace Rally was a peaceful assembly kasi naghanap lang naman sila na pagkakataon para ibaba ang presyo ng kamatis. Pardon, sabi ito, for me, pardon me for my impression. To me, there was none. To me, although it was well-intentioned, the peaceful rally was more like a political pressure to hinder a separate and independent department of the government to perform and constitutional duty. This was evident from the speeches delivered in that rally. On the other hand, the president as the duly elected chief executive of the land and one of the three independent and separate branches of our government has the power and duty to coordinate with the two other branches of our government to achieve and maintain a unity and harmony in the efficient operation of the government in our society. No one can do that officially except him. Hindi si Manalo, hindi si Duterte, hindi ang iglesia. Yan lang ang ibig sabihin ni PBBM.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Bakit? Sinabi ko bang hindi mabait ang Cagayano? Cagayado din naman ako. Ma'am Berlita Davila, 93rd to like. No, bakit ka na late? O 93 lang, 153 tayo. Julia De Vera, hello, hello. Kaya ito mga iglesia, pinatatamaan na naman kayo. Kasi naman kayo mga iglesia kayo. Nagsabi lang ng opinion si JPE, inilagay nyo kagad sa kabaong, buhay pa. Tapos kung ano yung nilalagay nyo sa pagmukha, nilagyan nyo pa ng sungay, hinirikan pa ng kandila. Ano kaya yun? Okay lang, labanan tayo ng opinion at opinion. Ma'am Betty Boo, shout out. DDS, mas okay na ang Bicam kaysa sa Mary Grace Piatos dahil nagasta na ang pera. Ang mga DDS naghahanap ng pera na hindi pa nananakaw. Pero yung mga nanakaw na, kinakalimutan na nila. Real talk lang tayo ha, mga Duterte clan.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Yan magaling. Yung